Hello, this is Dr. Kerpen, Cosmopolitan Aesthetics, speaking from Hamburg, Germany. I would like to tell a little about thread lifting. I use the sutures from WHITEROSE for about, I guess, 4 years because I like the quality, and for me it's very important they have got a FDA approbation. The other sutures not. They are only certificated by the medicine law. My patients are satisfied. I have long-lasting results, about over 2 years, and very, very low complication rates. So for me, there's no reason to change. Yes, but still think there are other sutures and every surgeon can take the sutures he like. Bye-bye.